Hey there, it's Michelle Tarrant from Nom Nom Paleo, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paleo version of one of your favorite breakfast sandwiches at your favorite fast food joint. It is my Paleo Sausage Egg McMuffin. But the cool thing is, there's no muffin part and it still tastes delicious, because who doesn't like to eat sausage and eggs with their hands? So you do need some special equipment for this. You just need these little biscuit cutters, because this is what will make the egg and the sausage all the same size. So I'm just greasing the inside of each biscuit mold. And this way the sausage patty and the eggs should slip out pretty easily. All right, so I'm gonna heat up the stove to about medium. And while that's heating up, I'm going to form the sausage inside. So you just put your sausage round down, and then you put about a quarter pound of sausage into the cutter. Transfer my patty, and I set my timer for about 3 minutes per side. And then while that's cooking, I'm gonna crack some eggs into little bowls. And then this, I'm gonna pop the yolk. But we're not gonna whisk it, it's just gonna be like, you know, when you get an Egg McMuffin at your favorite fast food joint and you see that there's white and there's orange and it's fully cooked. And pretty soon the edges should shrink away from the sides of the biscuit cutter and you can take off the biscuit cutter. Then I'm gonna roll the side so the edge gets cooked all the way through. So now you're gonna grab a pan that has a tight fitting lid and you're gonna heat it up to medium high. And then when it gets hot, I'm gonna add in my favorite cooking fat, which is ghee, but you can use whatever high temperature cooking fat that you prefer. And as soon as it melts and it's shimmering, I'm gonna add those biscuit cutters in. Turn the temperature down to low. Pop one into one biscuit. Pop one into the other. Grab my lid. And then you're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. So I like to add avocado to mine. And actually the secret to seeing if your avocado is okay normally is you pop off the stem, and if it doesn't look all moldy, normally you're safe. Here's the magic moment. Oh, pretty good. Wow, I was really surprised that this avocado was gonna behave, but I prayed to the right avocado gods. So these I think are about done. They've been cooking on low for 3 minutes. There we go. If you flip it over, the other side should be brown. Blot the water. And see, look, it looks like the egg that comes in your Egg McMuffin. I'm gonna smash the guacamole and then I'm gonna assemble it all together on a pretty plate. But first things first, you gotta season the eggs. I like using my magic mushroom powder. I like to season out on both sides. All right. This. I'm gonna cut my lines. I'm gonna squeeze. I'm gonna mash it. And then you kind of stop when it's your desired chunkiness. All right, we're ready to assemble. I'm gonna put the egg down. I'm gonna put the sausage down. I'm gonna dollop some guacamole on top. And I'm gonna cap it off with a dainty egg hat. And there you have it, my Paleo Sausage Egg McMuffin. It has no muffin, but it's just as delicious.